What's up guys, my name is Carter Chi and welcome to another video. Today is Monday, July 15th. It is also the first day of my meet. Yeah, I'm hosting meets now. So me and my friends are hosting a meet tonight at 8 o'clock. Yeah, it's called Milktea and Motors meets, and basically just trying to get a group of people to hang out, drink boba, and yeah, just meet new people. Alright guys, we also have something special we're doing today to the WRX. My friend Brian, also known on Instagram as UnicornTL, invited me over to his wrap shop to fix my headlights, because if you guys remember from the last video, I never got to tint the headlights or do the amber delete. So he actually invited me down to his wrap shop to do that. And on top of that, we're also going to be installing the Type S Auto Underglow. So huge shout out to Natalie from Type S Auto. She reached out to me, said she liked my Instagram profile and said she'd like me to put it on the car. So yeah, shout out to Natalie from Type S Auto. Thank you.
One eternity later.
Ooh, that's clean. Alright guys, we're at SoCal Exotic Wraps. This is Brian over here is going to be helping me out. Thank you.
Hi.
And basically we're just going to be blacking out the headlights and putting on some underglow. Shout out to UnicornTL right here.
What's up?
Helping me install my Type S Auto Underglow. Alright, Brian finished wrapping my headlights and installing my Type S Underglow. So we're on our way to go to the meet, but we need to get our car washed first. So, should be fun. Okay guys, we just got back home from the meet. The meet was a huge success. There were a lot more people than I thought would come out, so that was amazing. I didn't get to film too much of the meet. I'll just add some few clips that my friends shot.
Keep searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself
want you to be here inside my arms, where the night goes down. Oh baby, I want you to be here when the sun comes up and the day goes by.
Don't tell me to do something, because I'll do it.
Oh my god.